귀찮지? 내가 자꾸 뭐 물어봐가지고.
거기야.
오, 우리는 어디 가죠? 오늘은 아르뚜로한테 살사 만드는 법을 배우기로 했어요. 재료를 사러 라로마에 갑니다. 우와, 길거리 마켓이 열렸습니다. 오씨, 멋있겠다. 아, 진짜 천국이다, 천국. 이게 제일 큰 건 아니래요. 근데 재밌잖아. No, they have it. No? 오케이. 왜냐면 저거 사러 가고 있거든요. 돼지 껍데기 튀김. 근데 why not?
It's not the same.
We are gonna get the best one?
Yeah, the best one in the whole country. The northern chicharron is the best one.
몬테레이
Yeah.
돼지 껍데기 튀김을 사러 갑니다.
The best one.
여기다 사람들이 낙서해놨어요. 멕시코에 카르텔만 있을 것 같죠? 이렇게 예쁜 카페들도 있고 예쁜 자동차도 있고 야자수도 있고 다 마스크 쓰고 다니고 그렇습니다. I'm sorry. This is cute pink.
They're gonna make a building there.
You're like a definition of a hipster.
It's a short hat and a t-shirt.
Grabbing one shopping bag on your arm. Yeah, that's definitely hipster.
I mean, that guy is more hipster than I am.
So you agree that you are a hipster?
No?
CDMX. 나 이거 볼 때마다 너무 신기한데 저기 올라가 있으면 왕된 기분이 날 것 같아요. It's like a king's chair. 또 타코스. Let's get some juice later. Jugo? Jugo later?
Hugo?
Jugo?
Hugo?
시차로는 0.5kg 산대요. 우와, 신기해. 이건가 본데? 아, So what?
Half kilo of chicharron.
Like this.
How much does half grams?
Gracias. We're going back.
Yeah.
Let's get some juice. Hugo. Fugo.
Jugo de naranja.
Naranja.
So we're gonna have to go this way in sentido contrario.
Sidewalk?
Sidewalk. Yeah, no, not sidewalk. Follow me. You have 30 only?
30.
¿Me lo dejan 30? No? No. Another one there.
But when we were coming back, there was one guy who's almost to hit me. Anyway, I cannot go through him, but he stopped. If you're gonna stop early, or not, just go.
Yeah,
I
maybe
don't
he
get
stopped
it.
because he wants to see you. And that's another awful thing. If you look sexy or whatever. Yeah,
Why?
watching
Oh
you.
my goodness. Yeah, that was awkward. Look at that. 간판이 너무 예뻐요. You don't understand it. For you, it's nothing, but for me, it's a
Yeah.
thing. It's pretty. But look at that. That letters, colors.
Okay,
That's cute and pretty.
exotic.
Wow, what is this? 아르뚜로, 귀찮지? 내가 자꾸 뭐 물어봐가지고.
Eh?
어?
What?
Say yes or no.
Fuck yeah.
Am I bothering you too much? And then you say,
Fuck
fuck
yeah.
yes. Yeah, anyway, that's true, so it's okay. 갓짠 오렌지 주스가 262, 1,500원 정도? 너무 맛있다. 오, 우와, 되게 삼겹살 훈제한 것 같이 생겼어요. 맛있겠네. 짠! This is Arturo. This is Susan. Today we're gonna make chili. No,
No.
salsa.
Chicharrón en salsa.
치체노나 salsa를 배워볼 겁니다.
Okay. Super easy.
기름을 붓고. We don't cook tomato like this.
Never?
Mm.
Okay. Garlic.
We do this, but with knife.
Mm.
So to eat chicharrona salsa, do we need anything else?
Tortilla, beans, and rice.
We all have
You want it like spicy or not? Yeah.
Oh, ask me again.
You want spicy?
Not yet. It looks like a butt.
Yeah. Like a green butt.
Oh, no, burned butt.
Yeah.
중간중간 손을 닦아줍니다. 그리고
We need to
머리를
leave it like
만져요.
that for a while.
Sabroso, señoras y señores.
I think every Korean people will love it because
Se llama cha-cha-cha. ¿Cómo es?
it looks so good.
Yeah.
I wasn't hungry, but I'm hungry now. 이거 다 블렌딩 할 거래요.
Sabroso. Cha-cha-cha. Sabroso, señoras y señores. Este es un baile que se llama cha-cha-cha. ¿Cómo es?
How much?
You have to feel it. It's
Five.
feeling.
So do
Yeah, totally.
you for free? 진짜 신기하게 이렇게 닦고만을 위한 팬이 있어요. You know what? In Korea, we have a kimchi refrigerator.
Yeah?
Only for kimchi.
Okay.
Seriously.
Yeah, it's similar.
Yeah. 밥도 있고 또띠아도 있고 이것도 이제 거의 다 끓고 있어. 어우 씨.
Let me try it.
Oh yeah? Oh wow. Now I'm so excited.
Maybe a little bit more salt.
Sabroso. Cha-cha-cha.
녹아서 쭉 하는 켜사디하고요. 이제
Sabroso, señoras y señores. Este es un baile que se llama cha-cha-cha. ¿Cómo es?
just good or amazing.
I don't know if it's amazing. I don't want to be cocky.
But it is amazing.
It is good. You try it on YouTube.
Oh, I like this part. Oh, it is good. It's really good. 씹으면 씹을수록 고소한데? Chew it, and then after chewing it, it's more delicious. Not spicy, but spicy enough, not feeling too greasy.
Okay.
Let's try with something. It's like a buffet again.
Yeah.
Eating again and again and again. I feel good. I feel good. So yeah, it feels like mom's food. Thank you, mom.
You're welcome, my dear.
My mom would never say that. So good. So good. Oh. baby. So good, try.
Ay, baila mi rico cha cha cha. Oh yeah. Bailando suavecito mi cha cha cha. Sabroso.